Essential parrot care tips for beginners. Welcome to the colorful and exciting world of parrots. Owning a parrot can be a joyful and rewarding experience. But these intelligent, social creatures require proper care to thrive. If you're new to owning a parrot, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the essential parrot care tips for beginners, ensuring your feathered friend stays healthy, happy, and full of life. Understanding your parrot. Parrots are highly intelligent and social birds that need attention, mental stimulation, and proper care. Before diving into the tips, it's essential to understand that owning a parrot is a long-term commitment. Some species. And 1. Choosing the right cage. Your parrot's cage is its home, so it's crucial to choose one that meets its needs. Size matters, the bigger, the better. Your parrot should have enough room to stretch its wings, climb, and play. Bar spacing. Ensure the spacing between bars is appropriate for your parrot's size to prevent escape or injury. Perches and accessories. Add a variety of perches to help exercise their feet. Natural wood perches are ideal. Tip: place the cage in a well-lit area but away from direct sunlight or drafts. 2. Provide a balanced diet. A healthy diet is vital for your parrot's well-being. Main food: offer a high-quality pellet-based diet as the primary food source. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Include fresh, parrot-safe options like apples, carrots, spinach, and berries. Avoid avocado and chocolate. They're toxic to parrots. Seeds and nuts. These can be given occasionally as treats, not as a primary diet, to avoid obesity. Pro tip: always provide clean, fresh water daily. 3. Social interaction and bonding. Parrots are social creatures that thrive on interaction. Spend quality time with your parrot daily. Talk to them, play games, or let them perch on your hand or shoulder. Avoid leaving them alone for long periods, as this can lead to loneliness and stress. If you have a busy schedule, consider getting two parrots to keep each other company. Fun fact: talking and singing to your parrot can help strengthen your bond. 4. Mental stimulation is key. Parrots are incredibly intelligent and need mental stimulation to prevent boredom. Toys. Provide a variety of toys, including puzzles, bells, and forging toys. Rotate them regularly to keep things interesting. Training. Teach your parrot simple tricks or words. Positive reinforcement, like treats or praise, works wonders. Enrichment. Let your parrot explore outside the cage under supervision to exercise and satisfy their curiosity. Warning: a bored parrot may develop destructive behaviors like feather plucking or excessive screaming. 5. Maintain a clean environment. Hygiene is essential for your parrot's health. Cage cleaning. Clean the cage, perches, and food bowls daily. Deep clean the entire cage weekly. Bath time. Parrots enjoy bathing. Provide a shallow dish of water or gently mist them with a spray bottle. Air quality. Avoid smoking, aerosols, and Teflon-coated cookware, as fumes can harm your parrot. 6. Regular veterinary checkups. Parrots are skilled at hiding illness, so regular vet visits are crucial. Find an avian veterinarian experienced in treating birds. Schedule yearly checkups to monitor your parrot's health. Watch for signs of illness, such as lethargy, changes in appetite, or abnormal droppings. Tip: keep an emergency contact for an avian vet handy. 7. Safe and stimulating environment. Parrots are curious and love to explore, but safety is essential. Parrot-proof your home. Keep wires, toxic plants, and small objects out of reach. Safe outings. If you let your parrot out of the cage, supervise them to prevent accidents. Flight safety. If your parrot is flighted, ensure windows and doors are closed during their out-of-cage time. 8. Be patient and consistent. Building trust with your parrot takes time. Speak softly and move slowly around your parrot, especially in the beginning. Reward good behavior and avoid punishing them. Negative reinforcement can harm your relationship. Remember, parrots are sensitive and may take time to adjust to new environments or routines. 9. Understanding parrot body language. Learning your parrot's body language is key to understanding their needs and emotions. Happy parrot, fluff feathers, relaxed posture, and chirping indicate contentment. Stressed or angry, flattened feathers. Hissing or biting are signs your parrot needs space. Curious, head tilting or eye pinning, pupils dilating, shows they're interested in something. 10. Love and commitment. Parrots are not just pets, they're companions. Show them love, care, and patience, and you'll have a loyal, entertaining friend for years to come. Conclusion: taking care of a parrot requires dedication, but the rewards are immeasurable. By following these essential care tips, you'll create a happy and healthy environment for your feathered friend. Remember, every parrot is unique, so take the time to understand your bird's individual needs. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Parrot Haven for more parrot care advice and fun content. Let us know in the comments about your parrot care journey. We'd love to hear your stories.